Hi, is it okay? Hi, is it okay if I... Yeah, hi. Can you help me?
Yes.
I'm lost right now. I'm going to Chocolate Hills. Can you tell me if there's a hotel along the way?
Hotel?
Yeah.
I didn't know exactly the name of the hotel, but along the way, going to
All
Chocolate
right.
Hills, you can pass by some maybe tourist inn.
What is the name of the hotel?
Um, I'll try to ask if the locals know some.
It's okay, but you said it's along the way, right?
Yes.
How about a restaurant?
Restaurant? Yeah, you can pass by along the way. Also, there are a lot of restaurants in the next town,
All
in
right,
Batuan.
cool. Thank you for your help. I have a pickup line for you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
You must be a charger.
Why?
Kaya kung wala ka, lobat akong heart.
Oh my gosh.
Salamat ah.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Ano naman?
Pa.
Tigasa ka.
Dagoy, Gular.
Sa apelido ni mo.
Mura mo dyan kag na, sir. Ikaw
Sa
dyan,
apelido
sir,
ni mo.
ha? Muhanta.
Uh, lamian yung tinda. Sa apelido ni mo?
Simpura.
Sa apelido ni mo.